Hi, this is GEMINI DHAR. I'm a take charge expert and author. I work across the globe with people and empower them with the mindsets of I can. And I have three amazing personalities today who have given their best to the world, and they are international trainers, healers, coaches, and inspirational personalities. So we have Arun with us, we have Mala with us, and we have Pradeep with us. And they are coming up with a project, We the Sindhis. And they are going to work for their community and give back to the community what the community has given them in terms of love, affection, growth, prosperity, and success. So, you know what? The audience may judge you for your age or for your fitness, but he's been across the globe. He's done international trainings, he does corporate, he does a lot of things. But can you guess his age? What's your age, Arun?
Yeah, I will be 46 now.
Wow.
Yeah, so people, they say age is just a number. That is the format what I
no,
follow.
Age is just not a number, because I've seen many men in their 35s and 40s who got like pot bellies, and with loads and loads of stress with their corporate success, their health is gone for a toss. So you being into corporates and you helping a lot of people become the way you are, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I will just quickly brief you about myself. Corporate, even I am an ex-corporate. It's been almost 17 years I've worked overseas. Of course, MNC's company, you have a lot of pressure, and you know, your lifestyle goes for a toss. You don't eat healthy, you drink, you smoke. So, you know, it was getting too monotonous for me also. At the age of 30, I was looking as if I'm 45, 50. So that actually gave me a setback, saying that no boss, this is not the right thing what you're doing. Yeah, I mean, money, yes, of course you make good money out of working in a corporate, but end of the day, I always believe health is a wealth. And this format I applied to myself. Trust me, I just give up everything. I mean, 17 years of overseas experience, doing MBA from a good institute, and you know, above that, making good handsome money. But end of the day, my health was going on a toss, which was very scary for me.
I've been through that path, and I can really resonate with what you're saying.
Yeah.
And I want you to share more about this, but let me get back to my dear Mala. Mala has been on my show earlier, and Mala has walked her talk. She wanted to do something for the senior citizens, and I'm very proud the way Mala has really, you know, inspired me to walk the talk as well. I do a lot of things, and whenever I get stuck, I can say, if Mala can do it, why can't I? I mean, I have seen her, how she started, and without anybody else's support, on her own, she's created a brand, Grow Younger, and you can check her Instagram also for that. And she's been, you know, she's been pulling weights and doing so. I think, Arun, you have an influence on her, or she has on you, I don't know. But we are going to disclose her age again and again, because it's worth knowing her age. So Mala, tell us about yourself again, and tell us your age.
Thank you, GEMINI, first of all. And yeah, my age, I'm proud, I'm sweet 60.
Oh, 60, not 16, okay? Yeah, Mala. And
I always wanted to do something for seniors, because what I've seen my mom going through, so I felt there should be somebody to take care of them. So I have different kind of programs to work with seniors with different techniques, like mind,
I've
body,
also
and
seen
soul.
your corporate workshop where you make people just sit on the chair and do some amazing things that, you know, you can sit on your table, sit on your chair in front of your iPhone and still get fit. So I really loved that, because I'm an iPhone addict. So I know I'm a social media person. So I really appreciate the way you make people move even when they don't want to move. So Mala, I speak a lot on behalf of Mala, because I know her so well, and she's going to work on mind, and I think everybody should have a mindset like her, because if at 60 you are exploring new possibilities, new dreams, new ventures, then she's my perfect role model, I can say. So anything you want to share, Mala?
Yeah, because I feel fitness is so important. It's rather good that you take care of your health now than to be safe and sorry, like, you know, go to hospitals and spend so much money on medication. So I feel you should get time out of your day-to-day life and do workout at least for 30 to 40 minutes. And that's the reason I have even come out with exercises. People who are working 9 to 5, you can sit on your desk chair and still do your stretches and all.
And don't give any excuses. You can't do something. So with an I can girl and Mala, I think it's going to be a perfect thing that you won't have an excuse after today that I'm not doing anything in fitness. And then we come to our very, very special person whom I've met a couple of months back, Pradeep. He's very accurate with what he does, and not sharing any personal experiences. We are short of time. But Pradeep, tell us about yourself.
See, like how, first, thank you very much for this wonderful interview. Like how they said that it's very important to be fit, but a little ahead here, I think it's very important to be fit in your mind also.
Correct.
Because I've seen a lot of people eating very healthy food, but still they are messed up in their mind. So I started this at a very, like 21 years back, where I saw a lot of kids going in wrong direction. So I started with kids and slowly went to the teenagers, where they really don't know where they are today. So really wanted to help that segment where you can really mold them the way you want. And I believe that there is no age for meditation, and that's how I started helping kids at the age of 5 to learn the technique of meditation, because once that seed is sown well, I can guarantee you, you can never go wrong. Because I believe if your mind, if your thinking is correct, your life is sorted. Otherwise, you really don't know where you're heading towards.
True.
So like we were discussing, we have a combination of mind, body and soul, and a take charge expert. So now you will not have any excuse as to not doing something and not getting the results that you want to. And what I was really excited about to talk to these people is they are coming up with We the Sindhis, a community-based program where they're going to empower each and every person in their community and encourage them to become an inspiration and take charge of their mind, body and their soul. And what are the things they're planning to do? I'm curious to know as to what is it going to be all about. Are you going to do programs, or are you going to do concerts, shows, what?
So yeah, we are going to do a lot of corporate events where we are going to give a guidelines to all the generation. Now the best part is,
You told me you worked with, I forgot the name, you worked with a corporate and you worked with the head of the department. What was it about?
So I was based in Kuwait, and almost for 17 years I was taking for a brand. I was a brand manager for Kuwait, for a very well known brand, which of course I'm not going to disclose it. The best part in our three is 40, 50 and 60.
Even I am in the 40 category, reaching the 50 category soon. But I'm glad I'm I don't feel 40.
Yes.
I feel 4, and my children get embarrassed the kind of things I do sometimes. But yes, that's life.
So what's happening that we are going to empower the generation like 40, 50 and 60. Normally people think when you're 40 plus you're finished, but no. I would correct them. Age is just a number. It is all purely, as Pradeep said, it's a mind and muscle game. The more sharper your mind is, the more accurate and the more physically you will look good.
So I have a lot of friends who want to target retirement.
Yeah.
And I've started something new at the age of 40, and I'm so geared up that I feel like, an 8-year-old or a 9-year-old. So, and nothing. So when somebody told me, Gemini, this doesn't work in India, this is not for Indian clients, or this is not something you can do. So I said, see, I am in this field, I'm just like a child. For me, the moon is possible. So don't, limit my dreams by saying, ye nahi ho sakta hai, this won't happen. So like anybody who's in their 40s and want to give up on life or want to take a retirement, you should look at these people. And these people are not living a life for themselves. Of course, they have all the money in the world. They have everything they need. Why is it that they're going out of their way and doing something new and something empowering? So you're talking about empowering people with a body.
Yes.
Like a steel or,
Yeah.
So go ahead.
So yeah, of course, we three all are very passionate about things. We three are from different background, but yeah, being passionate about fitness, mind, body and soul, we have given up everything in our life, and we are applying the same format on ourselves as well as we are going to apply format on the people, make them fit, make them happy. As I told you, it's all mind and muscle game.
True.
So this is how we three are going to come ahead and show our expertise in all three formats. So now let's see. We are just
Superb. That sounds so good. And Mala, what is it that you are going to add? Because I know, so Mala is already doing a lot with the senior citizens, Grow Younger. You can find her on Facebook, and soon your YouTube channel must be out. We want to see all those videos there. So she gives you small, she will just do a squat, or she will just lift some weights, and like, I'm like the whole day thinking, Gemini, you had to do this, you know, what is it? I mean, shame on you. Sometimes I feel like that, and that's good, you know, in a good way. So tell us how you're going to empower the Sindhi community as well as people who want to connect with you.
Actually, see, I work with senior citizens, and I feel there's anything, any kind of workout anybody can do at any age. It's just the mindset.
True.
Once you decide to do something and you want to stay healthy, you want to stay fit, you want to be happy, you have to work out.
So this is your level 2. You've already started, and
Yes.
now this is going to be a step ahead.
Yes.
So wow, that is something, a new feather in her cap among all the other things that I know.